Hello Cryptonauts! The Honeyman 1 team is assembled. We have been professionally developing crypto projects for over 2 years, writing all kinds of software and smart contracts, including Honeypot. Simply put, we know how to develop everything related to cryptocurrency. So, in this video we will talk about the Honeypot token. Have you ever had a situation where you are diligently choosing a project to invest in? You look at everything about the project, realize that this project can bring profit, and you buy it. You are happy that the price of the token grows, and in the end you want to sell it, and instead of money you get this mistake. No. That means you bought a Honeypot token. The first thing you have to do is accept the loss. But that's not what this video is about. It's to teach you how to create a token like that. So let's move on to creating a scam token. First, go to remix.ethereum.org. Create a file where your token contract will be and name it. I'm gonna call it honeypot.sol. Now we need to insert the smart contract scam token. But I'm not giving away this contract for free, because with its help you can earn a lot of money. That's why to buy this contract, write to the Telegram Honeyman 1. Just insert it as shown in the video. In line 437 of the code, give a name to your token. 438 line of code, change the symbol. In 419 line of code, change the symbol name as shown in the video. Then check the version of Solidity. Compile. We go to deploy and customize everything. Click on Deploy. Sign what the wallet requires. Done. Then add liquidity as shown in the video. It is advisable to add 1 BNB, then you will avoid a lot of problems. Done. Now let's move on to the Honeypot token test. We bought our token. Now let's try to sell it. We can see that after the purchase it gives an error, which means that our Honeypot token is working correctly. We can see that after the purchase it gives an error, which means that our Honeypot token is working correctly. After everyone who wanted to buy your token has bought it, you can withdraw liquidity. So, we're going to withdraw liquidity. To do this, we need to go to the wallet we made our token from and go to the liquidity section. Choose how much we want to withdraw. Then just click Enable. Sign the transactions and click Remove. It's done. All the balance from the token has been transferred to our wallet, which means we've successfully created a scam token that can't be sold. The Honeyman 1 team has been with you. If you have any questions, please write to Telegram. Do not hesitate to ask for professional help.